मतलब क्या? So he had successfully found out solutions to all the questions जो भी उनके दिमाग में क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे ना, उसका सॉल्यूशन मिला उनको पेड़ के नीचे बैठ करके. So when he sat beneath the peepal tree and he thought for a while for the next 49 days, and he remained firm, cool and calm, and he remained totally untouched. 49 दिनों तक लगातार पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे बैठे रहे, and he remained totally untouched. कुछ खाया पिया नहीं, सिर्फ सोचते रहे. And at the 49th day, Siddharth was finally enlightened. And when he was enlightened, finally he found out all the solutions to the problems of his age, of his society, and of his economy. And he again remained seated for the same and under the same tree for the next 49 more days. फिर 49 दिनों तक और उसी पेड़ के नीचे बैठे कि करूं क्या अब इस ज्ञान का, है ना? So then he started migrating towards Banaras from Bihar to eastern, from western Bihar to eastern Uttar Pradesh. So from Gaya district of Bihar towards Banaras. And finally, he reached at a deer forest, Mrigdav Wan, जहां हिरन वगैरह घूमते थे, deer forest. And that place is called Sarnath. And when he reached at Sarnath, he met with same 5 people. वही पांचों उन्हें फिर से मिले जो पहले उनके साथ वो काया क्लेश, सेल्फ टॉर्चर कर चुके थे. But they failed to reach at a particular conclusion. So finally, when Kaundinya, Bhaddiya, Tatya, Mahanam, and Ashwajit, they met with Siddhartha, and but now Siddhartha was enlightened. तो उन्होंने पांचों को बिठाया, बैठो मैं ज्ञान देता हूं. He then Mahatma Siddhartha, now he became a great soul. When he was enlightened, he became a great soul, and he became Mahatma, Mahan Atma, great soul. And Gautam, he was given another name of Gautam because of his caretaker mother. His caretaker mother's name was Prajapati Gautami. So he came to be called Gautam. Siddhartha became Gautam, Mahatma Buddha, or Gautam Buddha. Buddha means B-U-D-D-H-A. Buddha means an enlightened person. In the Buddhism, Buddha means an enlightened person. Now Siddhartha was an enlightened person, so he came to be known as Buddha, and he became a great soul, so he became famous under the name of Gautam Buddha or Mahatma Buddha. Gautam because of Prajapati Gautami, and Buddha means an enlightened person. एक ज्ञानवान पुरुष जिसको क्या कहते हैं? बुद्ध. So anyone can be a Buddha. In the Buddhism, if someone attains the status of Buddha or Mahatma Siddhartha, he is said to be Buddha. So Buddha means an enlightened person. He was enlightened and he came to be called Gautam Buddha, Mahatma Buddha. And for the first, he taught to his 5 disciples, Kaundinya, Bhaddiya, Tatya, Mahanam and Ashwajit. वही पांचों को उन्होंने पहला उपदेश दिया. And first teaching, first sermon, S-E-R-M-O-N, sermon delivered by Mahatma Buddha or Gautam Buddha in the Buddhism, it was a great event, and that's why that event is called Dharma Chakra Pravartan, set in motion or turning the wheel of Buddhism, turning the wheel of religion, called Dhamma Chakra Pravartan. Dharma of Sanskrit language, and in Pali or Prakrit language of the commoners, Dharma became Dhamma. So same thing, Dharma Chakra Pravartan, Dhamma Chakka Pavatan. Dhamma Chakka Pavatan in Prakrit language of the commoners, and Dharma Chakra Pravartan in the Sanskrit language of the Brahmanas. an elite class of that society. So Dhamma, Chaka, Pavatan, Pavatana, Pavatan means Prakrit, means same thing. Dharma, Chakra, Pravartan, turning the wheel of religion. And his philosophy, his teaching was based on a principle called chain of dependent origin. Chain of dependent origin called Pratitya Samutpad in Sanskrit. Pratitya Samutpad. Pratitya Samutpad means chain of dependent origin. Chain of dependent origin means because of one thing, because of something happens automatically. And he said that because of our desires, because of something means because of our desires, something happens. What happens? Sorrow happens. Such a simple philosophy. Because of desires, sorrow happens. If you are full of desires, you are full of sorrow. If you have no desire, you are free from sorrow. So he finally found out the real cause of sorrow. कि दुख क्यों होता है? इच्छाओं के कारण होता है. इच्छाएं बढ़ाते जाइए, दुख बढ़ते जाएंगे, है ना? इच्छाओं को कंट्रोल करिए, दुख भी कंट्रोल में रहेंगे. इच्छाएं समाप्त कर देंगे तो दुख पूरी तरह से समाप्त हो जाएंगे. So it's not possible for a layman, for an ordinary man to remove all of his desires. It requires great mental strength. And he was, Siddhartha, Mahatma Buddha was free from all of his desires. So he realized the problem of his age, 6th century before Common Era. Why large number of people were dissatisfied by their own life? People were not satisfied. They were not getting relief. लोग परेशान हाल हैं 6th century BCE में कि कोई सिक्के इकट्ठा करने में जुटा हुआ है, कोई धान इकट्ठा कर रहा है, कोई चावल गेहूं इकट्ठा कर रहा है. तो जैसे आज है ना materialistic, people were getting more and more materialistic, and people had lot of desires, and when you have lot of desires, you are also full of sorrow. So desires are the root cause of sorrow, and because of our desires and because of our sorrow, we are indulged in a cycle. अभी थोड़ा उसको philosophical touch देंगे ना. So we are indulged in a cycle, in a vicious cycle of birth and death and rebirth. Birth, death and rebirth. Birth, death and rebirth. We are involved in this vicious cycle when we have lot of desires. But once we are free from all of our desires, we are not going to have more rebirth. And if we get total freedom from the cycle from our desires and from our sorrow, we are not going to have any more birth, according to Mahatma Buddha. And this is going to be our last birth. अगर इस जन्म में हमने इच्छाओं को खत्म कर दिया तो अगला पुनर्जन्म नहीं होगा, है ना? So what he had realized, Siddhartha had realized, he realized that world is full of sorrow. World means 6th century before Common Era India, North India in particular, was full of sorrow. उन्होंने ये realize नहीं किया that world is full of happiness. World is full of happiness. This was not realized by Siddhartha. What he had realized, that world is full of sorrow. And he said in Pali language, Prakrit, Pali form of Prakrit, language of the commoners. He said, Sabbam dukham in Pali, sarvatra dukh vyapt. Sabbam dukham, सर्वत्र दुख व्याप्त है. वो ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि सब जगह सुख है. बिकॉज ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कॉमनर्स और बिकॉज ऑफ द मासेस. बहुत ज्यादा लोग तो गरीब थे ना. अगर जरा सा सोचिए, एक रिक्शे वाले को बोलिएगा, उसको जाकर के रिक्शे वाले को बोलिए कि भाई संसार में सुख ही सुख है, तो रिक्शा वाला बोलेगा क्या सुख है, दिन भर रिक्शा चलाता हूं, 100 रुपया 150 रुपया मिलता है। बच्चा मेरा रो रहा था कल, खिलौना मांग रहा था, पापा टेडी बियर ला दो। कहां से टेडी बियर लाऊंगा, 500 का टेडी बियर है। तो उसको रियलाइज नहीं होगा कि संसार में सुख है। अगर रिक्शे वाले को, इसके उलट रिक्शे वाले को बोलिए कि भैया संसार में बहुत दुख है, रिक्शा वाला तुरंत बोलेगा यस यस, संसार में बहुत दुख है, क्योंकि वो दुखी है। एंड ही इज फुल ऑफ सॉरो बिकॉज ऑफ हिज डिजायर्स। So desires are the root cause of sorrow. And Siddhartha, he realized 4 things, 4 principles called 4 noble truth. 4 Arya, Arya matlab noble, not related to the Aryans, and himself was an Arya. He belonged to the Brahmanical tradition. So, and he was a Kshatriya. So he realized, ultimately he realized 4 principles called 4 noble truths of the Buddhism. First one, what he had realized? He realized that the world is full of sorrow. Point number 2, desires are the root cause of sorrow. Sabbam dukham, पहला. दूसरा, दुख समुदय. Dukh samudaya means desires are the root cause of sorrow. Third one, elimination of desires is possible. है ना, elimination of sorrow, elimination of desires is possible. कि दुखों का निवारण संभव है, दुखों को रोका जा सकता है। कैसे? डिजायर्स को रोक करके। डिजायर रोक दीजिए, दुख रुक जाएंगे। डिजायर बढ़ाइएगा, दुख बढ़ेंगे। कैसे? There is a path to be followed if you want to eliminate all of our sorrow and all of your desires, and that path is called eightfold path or Ashtangik marg, having 8 elements called Ashtangik marg. And Ashtangik marg, according to Mahatma Buddha, was a middle path. It was a middle path, and middle path means avoidance of extremities. अतिरेक का त्याग. Avoidance of extremities means desire एकदम खत्म मत करिए और बहुत ज्यादा भी मत रखिए, बीच में रहिए. सरकार आपको 1 लाख रुपया देगी, नौकर चाकर देगी, आईएएस बन जाएंगे, घुसखोरी मत करिएगा. ये बहुत है लाइफ जीने के लिए. ये बुद्धा बोल रहे हैं, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं. So finally he gave to the people 4 noble truths. World is full of sorrow. Desires are the root cause of sorrow. Elimination of desires is possible, and there is a path called Ashtangik marg to eliminate all of our desires, and Ashtangik marg is a middle path. So following 8-fold path continuously for a longer period of time, we are going to get freedom from all of our desires. And when we are free from all of our desires, we are also free from all of our sorrow. And that mental condition, when we are free from all of our desires and all of our sorrow, that mental condition is a condition of highest bliss. परम आनंद की प्राप्ति. परम आनंद की प्राप्ति सबके बस की बात नहीं है. ये महान लोग ही कर सकते हैं जो अपने सारे डिजायर्स को खत्म कर दे. एक डिजायर तो खत्म नहीं होता, कहां से सारे खत्म कर देंगे हम लोग, है ना. दुनिया दिन भर में सुबह शाम सपने में भी ना जाने कितने डिजायर्स आते रहते हैं. And it's not possible, or in fact it's very difficult for a common man, for a layman, to eliminate all of his or her desires. And that's why he preached middle path. So following 8-fold path, which is a middle path, so we are suggested to eliminate all of our desires and sorrow. And when we would be able to eliminate all of our desires and sorrow, we are free from, we would attain a status of highest bliss, परम आनंद की प्राप्ति. ठीक है ना. तो ऐसा रिलेशनशिप जिसमें आपको आनंद की प्राप्ति ना हो, ना कष्ट हो, ऐसे रिलेशन को तोड़ दीजिए, ब्रेकअप कर दीजिए। अभी गाना भी बना उस पर, डिस्को वाला गाना, है ना। तो या एक वो हेलो जिंदगी कुछ करके शाहरुख खान वाली मूवी आई थी ना, कि जिंदगी को जिए अच्छे से, जहां जिससे आपके मन में डिजायर्स बहुत आए ना, जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक कंडीशन हो आपके लिए, उसको छोड़िए, ठीक है ना। बट बुद्धा ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड टू फॉलो मिडिल path. So avoidance of extremities. So while you are in a particular relationship, so don't show that you are a superman or superwoman. So